Hey, health pursuer, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of vitamin B6, what it does for you, the benefits, the potential risks, and why you might just want to add this to your daily routine. Spoiler alert. It's not just about bananas, but they do play a part. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell, so you don't miss out on more health tips and hacks coming your way. You won't want to miss this. Now, let's talk B6. Okay, so let's start with the basics. What exactly is vitamin B6? Besides sounding like something out of a sci-fi movie, it's actually a pretty crucial vitamin. Officially known as pyridoxine, fancy, right? B6 is a water-soluble vitamin, which means your body doesn't store it, and you need to get it from your diet regularly. But why does it matter? Well, vitamin B6 is a jack of all trades in your body. It plays a key role in metabolism, which is just a fancy word for turning food into energy, because, let's be real, who doesn't want more energy? It also helps produce red blood cells, keeps your brain running smoothly, and even helps make those feel-good chemicals like serotonin and dopamine. Oh, and fun fact. B6 is found in all kinds of tasty foods, like bananas, chickpeas, potatoes, and even chicken. Yup. Your dinner might already be giving you a solid B6 boost without you even realizing it. Now, here's where things get interesting. What happens when you regularly take vitamin B6? Let's break down the benefits, and trust me, some of these might surprise you. Ever have one of those days where your brain just doesn't want to cooperate? Like you can't remember where you left your keys for the 5th time? Well, vitamin B6 might just be your new best friend. Research suggests that B6 can actually improve cognitive function, aka, it helps keep your brain sharp. And there's even some evidence that it might lower the risk of Alzheimer's. So, if you want to keep your brain firing on all cylinders, B6 could be the ticket. Feeling a little blah? Maybe you're a bit more irritable than usual? Vitamin B6 helps your body produce serotonin and dopamine. Those are the hormones that keep you feeling happy and relaxed. So, if your mood's been all over the place, getting enough B6 could help stabilize things. In fact, some studies show it can help reduce symptoms of depression. Crazy, right? A simple vitamin might give you a mood lift without even trying. Here's something that doesn't get talked about enough. Vitamin B6 can actually help with heart health. It helps regulate something called homocysteine levels in your blood. High levels of homocysteine have been linked to heart disease, so B6 helps keep your heart in check by managing that. It's kind of like having a little heart guardian on your side. Who doesn't want a stronger immune system, especially these days? B6 is essential for keeping your immune system functioning properly. It helps your body make antibodies that fight off infections. So, if you're looking to avoid the sniffles or just stay healthier overall, making sure you've got enough B6 is a solid strategy. Alright, for all the ladies out there, PMS can be rough. Mood swings, bloating, irritability, not fun. But guess what? Vitamin B6 has been shown to help alleviate some of those annoying PMS symptoms, especially the emotional ones. It's not a miracle cure, but it could make that time of the month a little more bearable. Who's going to argue with that? Okay, so we've covered some amazing benefits of vitamin B6 already. But before we continue, take a second and hit that like button if you're learning something new. And while you're at it, why not subscribe for more tips like this? It's totally free, and it'll help you stay on top of your health game. Go ahead, I'll wait. Done? Awesome, let's keep going. So, vitamin B6 sounds pretty awesome, right? But, as with all good things, there's such a thing as too much. Yup, overdoing it on B6 can lead to some not-so-fun side effects. Here's the deal. If you take too much vitamin B6, especially in supplement form, it can actually cause nerve damage. You might experience things like numbness or tingling in your hands and feet, and nobody wants that. Some people also become extra sensitive to sunlight. So, if you're suddenly feeling like a vampire, it could be a sign of too much B6. The good news? It's pretty easy to avoid. The recommended daily intake for adults is about 1.3 to 2 milligrams. Pregnant or breastfeeding women might need a bit more, but that's about it. As long as you stick within those guidelines and don't go overboard with supplements, you should be good to go. Oh, and remember, getting your B6 from food sources is generally a safer bet. That way, you're not likely to overdo it because, let's face it, no one's eating that many bananas in a day. Now, not everyone needs to run out and buy B6 supplements. In fact, most people get enough B6 from their regular diet. But there are a few groups of people who might benefit from a little extra boost. First up, people with certain medical conditions, like kidney disease or alcoholism. These folks often have trouble getting enough B6 and might need a supplement. Another group, people dealing with high stress or hormonal imbalances. If you're someone who suffers from severe PMS or even mood swings, B6 might help bring things back into balance. And let's not forget pregnant women. B6 is often recommended to help with nausea and morning sickness. But of course, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, definitely talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement. Alright, so how do you actually take vitamin B6 the right way? Here's the key: moderation is everything. If you're taking it in supplement form, stick to the recommended daily dose, about 1.3 to 2 milligrams for adults, depending on your age and gender. If you're pregnant, your doctor might suggest a bit more, but don't go rogue with mega doses. Also, it's a good idea to pair your B6 with other B vitamins. They work better together, like a little superhero squad for your body. That's why you'll often see B6 as part of a B-complex supplement. And, as always, talk to your healthcare provider before adding any new vitamins or supplements to your routine. They can help you figure out what's best for your specific needs. So, what's the final takeaway here? Vitamin B6 is seriously awesome. It helps with brain health, boosts your mood, supports your heart, and even gives your immune system a leg up. But like anything, it's all about balance. Too much of a good thing can lead to problems, so stick to the recommended dose and always aim to get as much as possible from food sources. And don't forget, before you make any changes to your diet or supplement routine, it's always a good idea to check in with your doctor to make sure it's the right move for you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with someone who might need a little extra B6 in their life. And of course, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more health tips, tricks, and wellness hacks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.